MRecktv.
Just to let it be known, the whole time I've been incarcerated, I've been asked to do a lot of interviews and things of the likes, but, when all this, got in touch with me via mail, I was able to, or via mail, I was able to, respond to a friend, someone that I held as a friend, and someone close to me in my previous life and career, and I explained to him that if I was to do this, he would probably be a person that I trust and talking to without having to be put in a position where I'm trying to be tricked up or, or people trying to extract things from me that no longer exist in my heart.
Definitely. Now, Arliss is definitely a stand-up guy, So, that being said, people want to know certain things, so I'm going to just go into it real quick because, there's other things that I know you want to touch on that's very vital and important. But people want to know, what's your current relationship with Diddy?
MRecktv.
Well, I haven't spoken to him in a very long time, and a lot of people don't understand that the relationship that we had was definitely fueled by business and the need to achieve success. Even though, prior to me coming to Bad Boy, he was already a mogul, he was already a very successful person. But I think that in his career at that time, dealing with the shooting in Club New York, and all the events that surrounded that, and then me, at the brink of being dropped off of Arista Records when L.A. Reid came, we were both in a situation where we could have used each other. And I think that was the foundation of our relationship. And then, through the course of that, we established a personal relationship as well. That was, also something that, I have no regrets or, you live and you learn.
Got you.
But I haven't spoken to him currently. I heard they're doing, this reunion tour. Because I haven't listened to music in 9 years. A lot of people don't know.
Oh, wow.
Just refrain from the music business. I haven't even listened to music in 9 years. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what's going on. I just spend most of my time reading and studying Arabic, studying my, my religion and things like that. So I became very adamant in doing that. But like I said, I heard, he's doing this reunion tour, and he's been able to, track down a lot of the, Bad Boy family as a whole, and I wish everybody the best.
Got you. Who did reach out to you while you was, doing your time?
Wow. I mean, I just spoke to CZJ and Faith Evans like 2 days ago, maybe a day or two ago. I spoke in the game. I spoke to Zab Judah. Spoke in the Freeway. My homegirl Breezy that's plays Fear Gats on Empire. It's a lot of people. Alhamdulillah, that I've been able to obtain contact with, because sitting in prison, to be honest with you, like I said, I kind of removed myself from everything and tried to kind of really endure and absorb everything that came with this trial that I'm going through. And I mean, not just the trial with the case, but this trial in life, and learn from it, grow from it. So, just coming up for here, I felt compelled to reach out.
Mm-hmm.
And, from that point, how it goes as a network. You end up talking to this person, that person. And I spoke to my man, Boo, Akon brother. I spoke to a lot of people, man. And what I've been trying to do.
This call is from a federal prison.
Based upon, something that came to me. This is funny because I had a visit the other day. My wife and my kids came by, and basically it was another female was visiting an inmate here. And she just ran down on me, which is kind of weird because, I don't really interact with women outside of my wife, So when she ran down on me, she was like, yo, you ain't here, your boy Stevie J shouts you out saying, he was saying Free Loon. And I said, it just clicked. I was like, well, yeah. I said, well, I hope it worked, So I spoke to Stevie. I was telling him, you know what, I got an idea. Maybe we can start a free loan campaign, And basically, what that entails is that, like I said, first and foremost, I'm grateful for everyone, Muslim and non-Muslim, who supported me through the course of almost 5 years of being incarcerated, those who supported me even in my past, and those that continue to. So, for anyone who's been, out of reach or haven't been able to contact me, if there's any assistance, that would be appreciated. Don't need money, I don't need all of those things, but what would be beneficial for me would be a voice. You know what I'm saying? I say that to say...
Well, you got that here, MRecktv. You know what I mean? MRecktv got you. But go ahead, brother.
Yeah, because I filed for an appeal.
Okay.
I've been pardoned, basically, executive clemency. And, I've been hearing a lot of people who, have been able to establish relationships, with the current president, Obama. And, he's been trying to do some very, very noble things as far as, ending this mass incarceration stuff and, reducing recidivism and stuff. So I would appreciate if everybody could, Instagram, Twitter, tweet, whatever it is, free loan, and try to let's create a voice. And don't get me wrong, I know there's a lot of other things that's going on in the world that's way more major than my situation, but for anybody that finds the time or find it in your heart, appreciate if you can create that voice for me. Hopefully they land on the right ears.
It's going to start today with MRecktv. I'm going to start the hashtags. This audio going to go out, and it's going to be on a lot of different sites. You know what I'm saying? But
I appreciate
the free loon. Yeah, go ahead.
I'm gonna keep in touch with you, man.
Oh, no doubt.
Hold it down for me, yo. Tell all this I said, man. It's always love.
I got you, Loon. Love is love. You got my number. Hit me anytime. But that M.Reck, the Grustler web series is coming. It's going to be debuting on MRecktv.
It's crummy beats, y'all.
Peace, world. To promote your music or promote your business by placing an ad on MRecktv, contact MRecktVpromo, MRecktVpromo @gmail.com. Peace.
Switch things to the opposite way. It's the Mac that the strippers and the groupies pay. Yeah, bands make her dance, you can't juice this J.
We bout to terrorize the rap game.
Fuck it right and give it back pain. Ever since a kid, it stayed focused, barely hung out. Pops went to jail, mom Dukes got strung out. Like Jordan with the tongue out, determined to win.
And got the best product out, and you killing the strip. I taught the money gymnastics, I'm making it flip. Hit the block hard, yes, early morning on the wake up. Betty Crocker cook skills, help me get my cake up.
Cussies coming left and right, it feels like the first. The money is a gift, but them bills is a curse. I'm a overachiever, not a superstition believer. I'm good everywhere, like credit from a Visa.
The rotten apple, you could get shot in your Adam's apple. Giving God praise, leaving out the tabernacle.
Lemon squeeze, trigger 45. I feel like Kevin Costner, bodyguard. Holding down Whitney, that paperwork got his name.
Things to the opposite way. It's the Mac that the strippers and the groupies pay. Yeah, bands make her dance, you can't juice this J.
We bout to terrorize the rap game.
Fuck it right and give it back pain. Ever since a kid, it stayed focused, barely hung out. Pops went to jail, mom Dukes got strung out. Like Jordan with the tongue out, determined to win.
And got the best product out, and you killing the strip. I taught the money gymnastics, I'm making it flip. Hit the block hard, yes, early morning on the wake up. Betty Crocker cook skills, help me get my cake up.
Cussies coming left and right, it feels like the first. The money is a gift, but them bills is a curse. I'm a overachiever, not a superstition believer. I'm good everywhere, like credit from a Visa.
The rotten apple, you could get shot in your Adam's apple. Giving God praise, leaving out the tabernacle.
Lemon squeeze, trigger 45. I feel like Kevin Costner, bodyguard. Holding down Whitney, that paperwork got his name on it. The snitch niggas in there.
Subscribe to MRecktv, youtube.com/MRecktv. I'm gone.
MRecktv.